ಇಲ್ಲಿ 6 ಸ್ಟೇಜಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಾವು ಇವಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದೀವಿ ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ. ತಡಿ. ಹಾಯ್, ಹಲೋ, ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ವಿಹಾರಿಕಾ ಸಂಚಾರಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತ. ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತು ಬಂದಿರೋದು ಪ್ರಾಣಿ ಪ್ರಪಂಚ ಅಂದರೆ ದ ಪೆಟ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಚುರಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಧವಾದ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳಿದ್ದಾವಂತೆ, ನೋಡೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ.
ಆ ಜಿಂಗ ಲಕ 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 ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಬರ್ರ.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ 6 ಸ್ಟೇಜಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಾವು ಇವಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದೀವಿ ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ. ಮೆಡ್ ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇವಾಗ ಮೊಲ ಲೈಕ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹಂದಿ ಸಣ್ಣ ಮರಿನ ಎಲ್ಲ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಆಯ್ತಾ, 1 by 1. ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕಂತಾನೆ ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಗೈಡ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರು ಇವಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ. ಗುಡ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ನೂನ್. ಎಸ್. And your tour will be taken on 1.5 to 2 hours. It takes lots of photos and videos. Yeah. Okay, this section is called as loading section. This area what are loadings? Which one belongs to the road and family? Road hill section. So rodents are small mammals and most of the rodents live in burrows. Example: rat, mouse, squirrel, porcupine, guinea pig, hamster, bandicoot. These are all belong to the rodent family of animals. And have you seen rat and mouse in your home? Yes. What they will do in your home? Always keep on biting, right? Claws, fire, furniture. Why they are biting? No idea. Because they have ever-growing teeth. If they are not biting, these keep on growing or block their mouth or puncture their skull, then slowly animal dies. That's the reason rat and mouse always keep on biting. Okay. Now we will meet first animals. So any idea which animal is this?
So rat and the mouse, they have this much for on the tail. Alright, they have less for on the tail. In the big, they are looking, they are bigger inside. Don't worry, if you are wrong, don't worry. Okay. These are called as gerbil. These gerbil are from Mongolia. Why they have more fur on the tail? Because these guys they live in desert. The desert, nature would be too hot, right? Same nature would be too cold. So help them to protect from the cold temperature. A very curious animal. When they get curious or happy, they stand like kangaroo. You all know kangaroo. Stand like that. More place is gerbil on your hand. Just join your both arms. Don't make any sudden.
Oh my God. ಜರ್ಬಿಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು?
Gerbil.
ಇದು ಜರ್ಬಿಲ್ ಅಂತ.
Small attention, please. Whenever we need your attention, the educators say Bambadi Bamba. You have to replay with Bamba. Shall we try it once? Bambadi Bamba. Bambadi Bamba. We have next animal here for that. Japan is Pudeda. Japan. Why is it called Pudeda? Because when updated in color pattern, they look like the all of Pudi. Same like you. And also they are very intelligent species because they are like a dog or a cat. No, the goal is to that they join your both for same like first time. Don't make any sudden movement.
ನಾವಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಿರೋ ಪ್ರಾಣಿ ಅದು ಹುಡೆಡ್ ರ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಂತ.
You're right, these are guinea pigs only. It is not a pig actually, they are neither for pigs. Actually, they walk like a piglet and making some creaky noise like a pig. That's why they call as guinea pig. Guinea pigs, they don't have any tail. They are called as tailless rodents. When you observe their eyeballs, they hardly blink their eyes. 4 to 5 minutes once they blink their eyes. And food fat about these guinea pigs, they can sleep with their eyes open. Like how you all do it in your offices. Now I'm gonna place the guinea pigs on the lap. You can pet them. Only on the top of the body, not in the face.
ಏನ್ ಹೆಸರು ಇದೆ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ?
ಗಿನಿ ಪಿಗ್ ಅಂತ. ಗಿನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕರೆನ್ಸಿ, ಸೌತ್ ಅಮೆರಿಕಾ ಇರುವಂತ ದೇಶ ಇದು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಣಿನ ಒಂದ್ ಗಿಣಿಗ್ ಮಾರ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಂದು ಇವಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗಿನಿ ಪಿಗ್ ಅಂತ.
ಏನು ಮಾಡಲ್ವ, ಇವಳೇ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡವಳೆ.
Good job, Murli. Concubines are Indian animals. And concubines, they can grow much bigger than cat or adopted. They have longer spikes on the back, they can detect their spikes. These are called as hedgehogs. These are from Africa. Called as pygmy hedgehog. This is the maximum size they can grow. And hedgehog, they can't release their spikes. And also, they are very shy in nature. They have soft belly. When the soft belly is exposed, they curl up like a ball. You want to see that? Exactly.
ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
Also, it's a defense mechanism. Mainly feed on insects. Now we can't hold it as well, but we can't pet. I'm going to come close to you. I can pet it from the neck to the back. Don't come from the reverse side.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ 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 ಐಸ್ ಇದು ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಹಿಗ್ವಾನ ಅಂತ. ಇದು ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಬನಾನ ಎಷ್ಟು ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ವೆಜಿಟೇರಿಯನ್ ಅಂತೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಇದು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಮೇರಿಕಾದಂತೆ. ನಾವೀಗ ಬರ್ಡ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಬನ್ನಿ ಬನ್ನಿ. ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು, ತುಂಬಾ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ನ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ.
Take right sides, everybody please.
Louder, comedy bumper. Only bumper. Comedy bumper. Sounds good. Which animal are these? Which is horse? What about this? Exactly, sir. Here we have pony, here we have horse. So because of shorter feet, they are known as pony. Okay. This section called hoofed animal section. Any idea what do you mean hoofed? Feet. Exactly. If you see the feet, that is called the hoof. Horse, pony, donkey have single hoofed animal. Sheep, goat, cow are split hoofed animal. All belongs to hoofed animal. If you guys want to take hoofed animal, this is the good place. Very good test. Head. Any other test? Body.
Leg.
Neck.
Leg.
Ear, nose. Okay, actually the baby was the correct answer. Why means they can see they have wider vision. They cannot see just like us. Okay, also they have two blind spots. One is forehead, second one is back. If you approach from front, they will try to bite you. If you test from back, of course they will try to eat you. Good place to test the hoofed animal, part of their neck. They will also see you. You will also be in safer place. They will also don't get upset. So by the way, here we have Maya. You can all say hi, Maya. Okay, Maya is a rejected dog. So we rescued her from Pune stud farm. Stud means breeding platform. Okay. So why we rescued means, can you guys see the front right hoof comparing to three other hoofs got shorter than three other hoofs. That's why she rejected. She cannot run faster. She cannot stand longer time. Okay. So why people will not keep like this kind of animals means they are very expensive. So can you guys take the body weight about Maya? 320 kg and another number? 800. 200. 800. Weight. Body weight. 800 is too much. Any other idea? One number. So all are correct. So she is only around 600 kilos. Okay. Why I asked about body weight means all single-hoofed animals intake the food about their body weight 10% food. That means Maya easily will intake 55 to 60 kilo food per day. Okay, that's why people don't want to keep anymore. So here we have pony because they're shorter breed, they're known as pony. Also, they're very good climbers. Also, they're very good hard worker. Okay. So here we have brown one is a white one is gabbar. Do you guys know about Konungunde Cross? So near Konungunde Cross we have gutter. So someone called us regarding Isha that some pony fell down into gutter. So we as soon as we heard the voice, we rushed to location, support of crane, we rescued her. By the time we got very late. That's why we kept in our founder's home. Next day morning, Gabbar was screaming out of the gate. That's how we come to know they are very good friends. Okay. So many years back, people kept them in exhibition to ride. Okay. Slowly, Gabbar got deformed. That's why people left him. So in Prani, these are the two animals. First rescued animal, 2017. Okay. So you can feed them. We have hay here. So once you're done with your feeding, you can all touch from neck. Please be away from your fingers. Yeah, of course. Please be careful with your fingers.
Careful with fingers, pa.
Ma'am, you can sit here. Elder can sit here, please. Okay, ma'am, sir, two step back.
Vishu,
Guys, two step back, please. Two step back. Two step back. Okay, guys, bumbadi bum bum. Bum bum. Okay, guys, I'm about to start the section. Bumbadi bum bum. Bum bum. So, which animal is this? Tortoise or turtle? Okay, what is different between tortoise and turtle?
Tortoise are big and turtles are small.
Exactly, you're perfect. So tortoise is completely land animal. They have like elephant feet. They are completely land animal. If you live in water, they will just drown into the water. Turtle only water animal. So whenever they want to lay the egg, they will come out of the sea. They will lay the egg, go back to sea. So here we have terrapin. They can live both land and water. Okay. So they're native to South America. They're native to South America. They can live up to 30 to 35 years. Can you guys see their mouth? What do you think? How many teeth are there? Sorry. Why you guess zero? Okay, actually they don't have any teeth. Okay. Can you guys see the structure of mouth? It's just like a beak. Okay. Birds also have beak. These guys also have beak. Can you guys? Feel? No. They can. Okay. Of course they can feel. Of course they will harm. Of course they will be have pain. Just like our nails. So we can sense our nail, right? So also they have full nerve system here. Single feather test. They can feel. Okay. Our hair and our nail made up of by keratin. This material is also made up of by keratin. Okay. This defense mechanism. Okay. I'll come closer. Please do not tap or bang. You can touch in two finger. Once you done, please two step back. Who are not done, please two step front. Extend legs.
Yes. Why you said make sure you not put them head forward. You should not lift them up. Okay. Rolling and petting the back part. All our goats are super friendly. So they want to headbutt. But if in case you feel uncomfortable, let me know. I'll be helping you. When I'm opening again, you should have to enter. Do not block any of the way. Because if you block, every time the goats can come out. Okay. That's it.
ಇವಾಗ ಗೋಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಂದಿದೀವಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಬಹುದು ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್, ಕಲರ್ಫುಲ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ವೈಟ್ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಗೂಟ್ ಫುಲ್ ಒಂದಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬಾ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಇದೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವ್ ಇವಾಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರಾಬಿಟ್ ನೋಡಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದೀವಿ. ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ಬಂದ್ವಿ ರಾಬಿಟ್ ಹತ್ರ.
So can you spot which one is the duck, which one is the goose? White one is the goose. White one is the goose. White one is the goose. Any other guesses?
Duck is which neck is not lengthy, and the other one is.
So you are correct. So the one who is standing there, one who is sitting there, that are ducks, and these are goose. So ducks are smaller, they have a short neck, they have a flat beak. Whereas gooses, they are bigger, they have a long neck, and they have a low leg structure. So you can see ducks are swimming in the water, but are they getting wet? Why do their feathers not get wet? Yes, so they have a all secreting gland on the back where they'll be secreting that all across the feathers. And that process is called as preening. Because of that preening, they'll be getting that water resistant feathers. So when they enter inside the water, oil and water doesn't get mixed, so that the water will be sliding over the feathers. So what's the baby duck called? It's duckling. Duckling, yes. What's the baby goose called? Yeah. Gosling. You want to see baby goose? You want to see gosling? So it's right over there. One is eating there. One is on the other door. So we have a very beautiful bird inside. And hen, peacock, turkey all come under the pheasant family. And this is a silver pheasant. So in the pheasant family, male birds will be having bright and vibrant color to attract females also to show dominance. Whereas females, they are dull in color. So is this a male or a female? Male or a female? Male. Actually, this is a male bird. Look at how bright and vibrant he is. Females are usually brown in color so that they can camouflage in the wild. They will be matching up to the sand color. So now, can you guess how old is he? 5, 16, 100, 30. So he is somewhere around 8 to 10, maybe 9 years old. And they can live up to 15 to 20 years. So now we are going to meet magic fish. Who want to meet magic fish? Yeah, the fishes will be doing some magic. But in order to see that magic, you all have to be silent. Will you be silent? Very silent, promise? Yes. So now we'll be moving to that side. It's called as a paludorium. This is a mix of aquatic and terrestrial environment. You can see terrestrial plants on the top and aquatic plants in the water. All of them are real plants. And this fish is called as magic fish. We'll be calling them as magic fish. Species name is archerfish. So they have a very unique hunting mechanism. So they love to eat insects and worms as they are insectivorous. So imagine an insect or worm is sitting on the branch over there. How do the fishes get that insect? How do they hunt? They jump. Do they jump? No. Or do they fly? No. They shoot out their tongue. Or do they climb on the tree? They catch from their tongue. They catch from their tongue. So you want to see how do they hunt?
Yeah.
So I'll be showing it to you.
ಹಿಡಿ ಇನ್ನ ಹಿಡಿ.
Anybody want to eat this? No, this is very tasty. This is very healthy. It's a mealworm. So this is the favorite food of this fish. So you can have a look at this worm and what the fish is going to do.
जंप करते थे. पानी का खाऊंगा.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
So then you can find a similar animal in the Indian wild that is called as a hare. So this is a European rabbit and you can't find any rabbits in the Indian wild. So hares are longer than rabbits and they have longer ears and longer legs. What do rabbits usually eat? Carrot. Which all cartoons are you watching? Bugs Bunny. So, Bugs Bunny, okay. So in the cartoons they are showing that rabbits can eat carrots but not daily. Because it contains a lot of sugar content, it's like a junk food for them. So 80% of the diet should be grass and leaves, 20% should be carrots, fruits and other things. And how do we lift a rabbit? How can we hold a rabbit? By their ears. By their ears. Can we lift a human baby by their ears? No. It's painful. Likewise, animals also feel it. So hunters and poachers used to do that. That's a wrong method. If you do like that, that may cause serious damage to the spine. So we have to support all the four legs. We have to hold them like how we hold a baby. So now we'll be coming close to you. You can give a gentle touch on the back and not on the ears, not on the head. I'll be placing it on your lap. I'll be placing it in your lap.
ಏನು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನು ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರ್ತೀಯ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕುತ್ಕೊಳತ್ತದ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಿಂಗ್ ನೋಡು ಅದ್ಯಾಕೆ ಹಿಂಗ್ ನೋಡ್ತೀಯ
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡು
Okay, stay in your place. Stay in your places.
Iguana. Oh, it's like egg. So it turns to larva. It lays 200 to 400 microscopic eggs. Okay. Then becomes gives birth to larva. This larva. This is pupa. Egg larva, pupa, adult. Yeah. Pupa is
So emus cannot fly, but they can run very fast. So they can run up to 40-45 kilometers per hour. They can stand up to 5 to 6 feet height, include neck. Okay. So they're from Australia. So a national bird also. Do you know ostrich, right? So difference between ostrich and emu. So ostrich is bigger than emu. So ostrich they come from Africa. Emus they come from Australia. We go inside, so they are super friendly. You can touch and feel, but inside no running, no shouting. Okay. So before going inside, who lay the egg in emu? Male bird or female bird? Very trick question, right? Female. Who? Who lay the egg? Boy or girl? Boy? So don't get confused. Boy never lay the egg. Always girl. Okay. So in this emu, the female one lay egg, male one incubation. So they sit on the egg. They will keep warm everything. All.
very bird
Shoulder and hands, but do not touch the bird. Okay, birds they don't like to touch. Okay, and walk inside, and inside you have to maintain the silence. Okay, let's start walking inside, guys.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸುಂದರವಾಗಿದೆ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ಚಿರ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ಚಿರ್ಪಿಂಗ್. ಗೈಸ್, ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಡೇನ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಎಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಪ್ರಾಣಿ ಪಕ್ಷಿ ಈ ತರ ತುಂಬಾ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ, ಫೀಡ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಣಿ ಪ್ರಪಂಚಕ್ಕೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಖಂಡಿತ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಪಕ್ಷಿಗಳಾಗ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೂಫ್ಡ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಹಿಗ್ವಾನ ಈ ತರ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ನಮಗೂ ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನಾವು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ಇವನ್ ಫೀಡ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅ ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.